We're always improving the ArcoLinux tweak tool. You will see lots of updates come up in the coming months and years. And at this point in time, we have 20.3.81. The Lightdm conf has been created for the idea to change the setting in the etc lightdm.conf. So we have 15 desktops and they all use Lightdm. So learn one thing and use it 15 times. Now these are the settings at this point in time, and there's a little hiccup when you install it at this point in time, and then you just have to know it. Auto login, if you say, okay, I want to auto login into a particular user session, then you can actually say here, I'm gonna change it to a particular desktop. We have 3 in XFCE OpenBox i3. With the desktop installer, you can install 50 more. So once you restart this tool, it will figure out, hey, look, there are more than just these 3 guys, and it will just give a longer drop down. Now at this point in time, what's not working properly is if when we click here and we say apply settings, then nothing happens. So that's a little bit awkward, and the only thing you have to remember actually is to select something. Something must be in here, and then the code is going to kick in, and then it's going to say auto login user Eric no. You see, that's the idea. So user session open box, apply settings, saved, nothing happens because this has been created to set your auto login. So if you want to change, so okay, this week I'm going to auto login with OpenBox. That's what it's meant for, to activate the auto login, choose whatever you want to have, and then select it, and then you'll get your choice, your auto login user Eric here, and OpenBox is going to be the one to auto login into, or i3 is going to be the one to log into, or XFCE is the one to get into. So that's why it's been created, to have these possibilities. But if I do this right now, it's going to work great. But just not the first time. The first time we had this blank thing. Now I even can't get anything more. There is no blank thing to select. So from now I'm in the clear. It's going to work forever and ever. That's a little explanation, and next release will fix this. Cheers.